Alright, welcome back to question 3 on the holiday packet. So 2 of the most popular items at the recording studio are CDs and t-shirts. Each CD costs $10. The price of each t-shirt is $15. The band placed an order for both CDs and t-shirts. The band ordered a total of 12 of these together, and it cost a total of $140. Part A, write a system of equations to determine the number of CDs and t-shirts that the band ordered. Use C for CDs and T for t-shirts. So that's easy. We don't even have to tell them what we're using because they tell us. Alright, so system of equations, that means 2 equations so we can figure out what C is going to equal and what T is going to equal. So our first equation is going to be the number. So how many of these items do they order? They order a total of 12. So our CDs plus our t-shirts is going to be 12. And now our second equation is going to be our cost. Each CD costs $10. I'll show that by multiplying 10 times C. And each t-shirt is 15. And that's going to equal how much altogether? 140. Okay. And that's it. That's all we have to do for our first part. That's our number of items. That's our first equation, and our cost for our second. Alright. B says solve the system of equations to determine the number of CDs and the number of t-shirts that the band ordered. You can use any of the 3 methods and show your work. So let me change colors here to red. In order to do this, I'm going to use elimination. I think it's the best one here. Now, if I just add these up, it wouldn't help us eliminate anything. We can't eliminate C, we can't eliminate T. In order to eliminate, I'm going to have to multiply this whole first equation by something to get rid of either C or T. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by negative 10. If I multiply the first equation by negative 10, the first equation is C plus T equals 12. If I multiply that, then I'll be able to add it to the second, and we can eliminate C. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to multiply this negative 10 to all 3 parts of the equation. And let's write this here. So negative 10 C. Okay. Now our second thing is negative 10 times T. So that's negative 10 T. And our third thing is negative 10 times 120. That's going to be negative 120. Alright, that's this. The second one I can just bring right down. So that's 10C plus 15T equals 140. Now we can add them up and we'll be able to eliminate. Okay, negative 10C plus 10C, that eliminates. We have negative 10T plus 15T. Negative 10 plus 5 plus 15 is positive 5T. And on this side, we have negative 120 plus 140. Negative 120 plus 140, that is 20. Okay, so 5T equals 20. I'm solving for 1T. Divide both sides by 5. And I find T equals 4. And in this case, T stands for t-shirts, so 4 t-shirts. Okay. I can now take this number and plug it into either equation to see how many CDs we sell. I'm going to plug it into the first one. It's much easier. So C plus T equals 12. Well, I know T is 4, so C plus 4 equals 12. I'm solving for C. I'll get rid of that 4. And C equals 8. c equals 8, then that's 8 CDs. And you can test this by plugging in 8 and 4 into this second equation and the first equation to make sure that they're both true. If you plug them both in, you'll find that they both equal, and that's our answer. All right, see you in the next video.